welcome back to my channel. It's me, Jenny again. And today what I have for you is very special, dear to my heart. App I actually use very frequently. Used to be daily basis, but like very frequently is the level right now. But it's none but other than Peloton App. And this Peloton app, okay, let me tell you. So Peloton is a workout system that uses their treadmill, their bikes, and they have their own system. But you know what? You could also just use your phone app or subscription to get the workouts done. And this is how I usually have workout on my phone on the go. So wherever you're traveling to, you could use the hotel gym or body weight. Like there's really wonderful yoga to do. So I'm excited to really share with you what I think of this app, and I'll walk through of all the features and functions on Peloton app. So let's jump right in. As an avid Peloton app user, I'm used to this app, but I just signed out so I could show you what the screen looks like when you first get this app. So you could do previous classes, and then in the middle you could sign up, create an account between Apple, Google, and regular email. Since I'm already a member, I'm gonna log in, or this process is called onboard, but either way, onboard by clicking on the already a member section. All right, let me log in. We currently only support this login method only for new user. Please continue. Okay, that's really annoying, Peloton. You only allow Google and Apple sign in only for new user. That makes no sense to me. This is so weird. Is this a glitch on the app? Am I having a bad day with the app today? Okay, let's try a different method. Let me put in my info and log in and come right back. Okay, as noticed, yeah, you can't log in with the simple method of Google or Apple or that way. So I have to put in my information, and I just did the Face ID to get in here. So now I'm back in with the Peloton app for Apple Watch. So you could track it with your Apple Watch. I'm gonna skip that for today, but this is an option, and I usually use this option because it's really awesome. Welcome to Peloton, and there's an intro video. Ooh, this is sliding method of just showing you could try a free class. Okay, and then you could track activities, find friends, and yes, currently the price is $12.99. So it's cool. Even though I was a member now, I stopped it for a month while I was traveling, but I could still see, and then it could tell you all the details. So now we're finally on the homepage of this app. So let me go through. First off, on top there is Peloton logo up here. Peloton logo up here with the bookmark. What's this? Yep, it's all my favorite classes that I bookmarked. And then, ooh, so if you know, you know. But this feature right here is stackable classes. So in one day, most people don't do just one class, or you can, but I like to stack up my warm-up, my cardio, my strength training, and finish it with a yoga or stretching. So this is how I usually do stacked up classes. And then what is this one here? Yeah, it's a scheduled classes. I usually don't do live classes, but this is always an option for you. The reason why I use this app is so that I don't have to track down, or I don't have to chase down the actual live classes. So I would never use it for live classes personally, but if you're into it, do you. So when you on the homepage, when you scroll down, you'll have these scrollable section of type of workouts. So you could, since I'm still in the free class section, I could choose one of these. Peloton is really awesome. I highly recommend trying these tread bootcamp and bike bootcamp if you get a chance. And there's multiple classes of HIIT, flow yoga, glutes and legs. Also, I love how engaging Peloton classes are. It's my favorite. So you could either live on upcoming, and you could put in your schedule as you like. There's a whole bunch of feature collections, which is really awesome. I love doing these because it helps you to kind of focus on a topic, or like, let's click on this one. So it's March, so it's Women's Month. So when you become premium member after paying $12.99, you could have access to this. But at the free section, you do not. But you're allowed to take a class. Interesting. And then you could keep scrolling down to see browse all classes and see classes as a premium member. Let's see if I could click on a class. Start. Okay, so here it is. So if you try to take a class, it would tell you. So I don't really get about I guess it's only that section you could do free classes. So whenever you try to take classes, it would tell you, nope, you have to pay and subscribe in order for you to get access to the classes. Peloton has really amazing filters. Like, filter is everything of this game, okay? You are short on time, you pick 5-minute workout, okay? You want an instructor, yeah, you pick one. So I'll tell you some of my favorites. For yoga, I love Aditi. I would say for boot camp, tread boot camp, Jess Sims is my favorite. And then Tunde's favorite for ab workouts and tread boot camp for me. Bike boot camp for me. So let's put Tunde for now. And then body activity. So within 5-minute workout, I could choose, but look, 5-minute, it's unlikely that you'll have a class, but if you select everything with 5-minute, like all these, it gets harder, but because they have a crazy archive, there's more options, so you could kind of go through them all. But just for the sake of this exercise, let's look. Oh, wow, Tunde actually has a lot of 5-minute, so these are stretches, warm-up rides. Okay, cool. So you could do warm up with Tunde, and she's such a vibe. So highly recommend it, highly check it out. So what is this? Okay, so this is a new button that I haven't seen. So if you want to do outdoor running or outdoor walking, outdoor cycling, there's options. So this is the cool thing about Peloton. You don't need their equipment, and you could still pay only $12.99 and do this, and that's the beauty about it. It's not as expensive to stay fit these days, and it's very portable, right? So okay, see, this is what they do so well. Look, okay, navigation, bottom navigation with names on it, okay? Yes, these icons do make sense and they're very easy to spot what it is, but they exactly tell you what it is by labeling it. You know, this is like a little mini, like extra layer of work, and now like you could see it. Funny thing is that as a UX person, I know that when you have to revise it, it takes a lot longer. It's a lot more work, to be really honest. But if you create an app like this from the start, it's easier. So they did a great job letting me know what they are. So we were at the home screen before, so I'm just gonna go through all of them. But this is the home screen. This is the feed. View your privacy settings. So when you set it, you could see find members and connect with your Facebook. Workouts, my favorite, and it makes total sense why it's in the middle. And you can see all the workouts. Challenges. Now, each year or each month or any activity, there's always a challenge section here. So you will love using this as a motivator. So I love this. Like, I love giving the challenges over here. And then to profile. So you'll see how many days I'm in New York, obviously. So can I go back to my calendars? Wow, it doesn't let me go back. Oh no, I can't show you my data from before, can I? Okay, so it tells me 192 workouts I've done so far. Whole lot of scrollables. Ooh, achievements. So Black History Month, Spice Girls. Okay, so I did a few. Okay, and then I did 10 or more than 10 rides, 25 runs, walk. I really don't use this. I don't have rowing machine in my gym, and I don't really care for it, so I don't do it. But boot camp, tread boot camp is one of my favorite. And then stretching, of course, and yoga. Guys, I am so surprised how much I love Peloton yoga, but please check it out. And then there's multiple challenges that I've done. So kind of cool, huh? So yeah, overall, it's cool. Okay, so Peloton app is very special to me and I loved it and I always love it. So it has a really good standing with me. It's actually 5 out of 5. It's not annoying, it's easy to use. I could also pause it because it's not like if you're doing a live workout, you can't pause it. But if you are doing workout like I do, which I don't ever use for live workouts, I rather to go in person for live workouts. But if I'm in a location, I'm doing a pre-recorded workout, so I could pause it anytime. So I could switch from, for boot camp, I could switch from one equipment to another or to the floor. So it's much easier. So that's one of the reasons why. So the user journey is completely connected, meaning that it's extremely convenient from one point to another, point A to point B. It's well thought out, it's well implemented, and they're always constantly adding new fun workouts. So that's why it's exciting and I love it. All right, so my favorite part of the app is that it's well integrated, it's easy to use anywhere else, it's very versatile, there's so many workouts, there's so many options, and there's a lot of like challenges. So overall, wow, that's a lot of favorites. But I really love this app. Okay, least favorite. Actually it's pretty good because even the free trial is like 30 days. So least favorite, I don't think I have one. Call me biased, but I really love Peloton app. It's well made, it's well recorded, it gives you everything like time. Oh, I do have one. I don't always need leaderboard, but when you go into horizontal screen, it always like kind of vertical screen, it always shows the leaderboard. I really don't care. So I wish I could be exited out and show me like upcoming moves instead. I think that would be much more implementation. So I think that is also wish list too. So there you go, 2 in 1. So thank you for watching. I hope that I gave you a thorough review enough to walk through the app. I did not record any of my workouts because this is not the video for that, but keep watching for it, okay? So this is why you need to subscribe to my channel. And thumbs up for me if you found this video helpful for you to have a quick look of what Peloton app looks like. But I promise you, next one, I will definitely be writing it out. If you're already an avid Peloton user, I would love to hear from you if you have favorite instructors. So comment below and let me know what class I should try. Oh, also, I could also try that for my trial video. So keep in touch and stay healthy, keep working out, and we'll talk next time. Bye.